She said she wanna talk. Why now? Yeah, I know it's good to talk, but why now? Baby, it's a party. Thought we came to dance. We just left home, now you arguing. Girl, this was not the plan. Yeah, I know you want them nice things. Know you wanna wear all of them nice rings. Yeah, no, I know you want this. Beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah, I need you beside me. You beside me. Yeah. Know you want designer, nothing but designer, no. But you don't make me feel like buying new thing when it's like this. Yeah, I ain't buying you thing when you trip it like this. I just want a good time, good time. Yeah, I just want a good time, good time.
And here is our wig all sewn with our 7x7 closure. And this is just how it looks inside the cap. And it goes very far down to the sides of the wig. There's a look inside and you get a deep part. So the lace goes all the way back. It's 7x7. And here is the unit on. And the closure is plucked. It's pre-plucked. The hairline looks very nice and goes from here to here. The regular closure is from there to there, and this one goes a little longer. It's 7x7. And like I said, you get a deep part down the middle or the sides. So I'm just going to take some scissors and cut the closure, and I'll be back. Okay, so like I was saying, 7x7 closure. Yeah, you guys. 7x7 closure, which I love. I absolutely love it. Because with the frontals, okay, the frontals are very nice. They are. But I always have trouble with the ear part of the frontals. When they come down to your ears, it's harder to get them to stay down. They tend to lift with me, so I tend to put baby hairs over them and use the Got To Be gel to stay over it. That way it stays. But I always have trouble with the ear tabs. Yeah, that's what they call them, ear tabs. So I love it when I saw that Wiggins Hair Company came out with the 7x7 closure. Yeah. You know, I did their 2x6 closure, which is a small one here, but to go back it was far, which was perfect for when I did the bob that I used on that closure. Yeah, because all I wanted, I didn't want the space this way. I wanted the space this way. Yeah, for the bob, the center part bob. Anyways, now they have the 7x7 closure. Yes. And I am loving it. Absolutely loving it. It goes from here to here. That's where it goes, from here to here. And I didn't have to use no Got To Be spritz spray or Got To Be gel. No, I did not. I just have the drawstrings at the back of my wig cap that I use. 2 drawstrings are at the back. I tied those 2, and that was it. And I gelled down some baby hair. Don't laugh at me with these baby hairs, you guys. I'm not perfect, but I gelled down some. So I'm going to pull it just a little bit to let you see that it's not gel down or spritz down. It's not. You see that? It's not. The closure is just sitting there. Yes. I love it. I absolutely love this 7x7 closure. And I love the fact that I don't have to use the spritz spray, use the gel. And like I said, it's from Wiggins Hair Company. Yes, oh my gosh. And the bundles, the bundles are, the hair texture is the Brazilian body wave. And the lengths I have in are 18, 16, 14, and the 14-inch 7x7 closure. Yeah! OMG! And the hair is so soft, you guys. OMG. I know they have good quality hair because I did a review on their hair before. Like I said, when I did a 2x6 closure, and the hair quality is good. And I still have that wig. Oh yes, and still kicking. Yes, it is. And I absolutely love it. And this time I got the longer length from them. And like I said, the hair is nice and soft. I'm not getting any shedding, any tangling. Oh, it's nice. But the frontal. It mimics a frontal. Yes, it does. Because if I didn't tell you, you would think I have on a frontal. The closure. The 7x7 closure. I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. And I didn't bleach my knots, you guys. I just put a little powder in there. And I didn't do a part. I did freestyle. Just do the flip over. Yes, I did. And you know, you can flip it any way you want. You can add the part. Anything that you want to do with it, you can do. Yes, you can. But I just did the flip over this way. Because I like it. I like how it looks like this. And I showed you how you get a deep part. Because it's 7x7. So the part, it goes all the way. See my finger on it? All the way back here. From there to there. OMG. 7 inches parting space. Yes. And it goes right to the side. Right to the side because it does come all the way down here. So you can get a deep part at any side that you want or in the center. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. This is absolutely thebomb.com. Whoever thought of this 7x7 closure, heads up to you because it's a great idea. I love it. And you can get it from Wiggins Hair Company. And you know the shipping was fast, yes. And dealing with Wiggins is always a pleasure. They're such a nice company. I have no problem dealing with them. And that's what you appreciate. Customer service has to be good, which is A1 in my book. Yeah, so I'm going to leave a link below to Wiggins Hair Company. So you guys can go over and check out their 7x7 closure. And they have other closures over there too. Other bundles, other deals. Check them out. But make sure you check it out for this 7x7 closure. Like I said, the link below. Click on it and go over and browse and get something nice for yourself. Yes. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming by and seeing my review on the 7x7 closure from Wiggins Hair Company with the Brazilian body wave. As always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.